Hello, Ilaria. Could you please introduce yourself to us?
Yes, of course. Hello, my name is Ilaria. I'm 25 years old and I'm from Rome. I graduated in 2023 with a degree in linguistic mediation, and English and Arabic are my languages of study. And now I'm currently studying for a master in interpreting and translation in the same languages. And in the meantime, I've been working as a tutor for other students.
And how did you know Ahlan?
I found out about Ahlan thanks to my interpreting professor last year, because I told him I desired to study Arabic in an Arabic country, and he suggested Ahlan to me.
Okay, and why did you choose Alexandria, Egypt?
I chose Alexandria because at that time I talked with one of my colleagues who have been here for several months last year, and I spoke to her and she recommended Alex to me, and I trusted her advice.
After staying for 4 months, give me a brief your experience in Ahlan Alexandria.
Okay. I think I can say that it was an extremely beautiful and amazing experience. I felt very welcoming here at the school, at the Hakfak school, and the environment is very friendly. The teachers are very professional and they're very supportive and they have a lot of passion. And I love it. I love everything here in the school.
Which Arabic classes have you studied, MSA or Egyptian Arabic?
I studied Egyptian Arabic.
Okay, give us examples of the topic you studied.
I studied different topics. Basically, my main objective was to study daily life topics because I want to talk and communicate with people. And basically, I studied different topics such as answer to the phone, going to the restaurant, order to the restaurant, also going to the grocery, talk to people, and in real life situation.
In your opinion, how much progress in your Arabic since you came to Egypt?
I think I did a lot of progress in my Arabic because I put in practice what I've been learning so far. So my listening, my way to communicate with people, and also the writing, all in my Arabic, I think I did a good job.
Tell me your feedback about the internship as an Italian teacher.
My internship as an Italian teacher was a very valuable experience and also challenging for me because it gave me the opportunity to put my linguistic and teaching skills into practice, but at the same time was a challenge for me because people learn a language in different ways, and I had to find different teaching methods that could meet the needs of the students and help them to learn that language. But overall, it was amazing.
Did the internship help you in improving your skills and understanding more the Egyptian culture?
Yes, of course. It helped me to improve my skills, my teaching skills, and how to communicate with people in order to make me understand. And also, I understood more Egyptian culture also because I understood that different cultural backgrounds can influence the acquisition of the language. Yes.
How did you find Egyptian culture different from your homeland?
Okay. I didn't find many differences between Egyptian culture and my own because I think that Egyptian people are very welcoming and we share a lot of values such as the importance of family and hospitality and also social life. And those things are something that we have in common from my homeland.
And what is the thing you like the most in Egyptian culture?
The things I like the most, I think, people, because they're very friendly, and also food. Maybe food is one of the things that are very different from my hometown, but I really love it.
What places did you visit in Egypt and which one you liked the most?
Okay, during my stay I visited several places. I went to Cairo and visited pyramids, Sphinx, and the Holy Museum, and also Khan al-Khalili. And also I went to Siwa, and I visited Alex, the city and the most touristic places here. I think the things I loved the most were the pyramids and also Siwa, and staying in the desert for hours.
Okay, and finally, tell us your general review of your experience in Egypt.
Okay, overall, this was a very enriching experience and it was amazing. I had a lot of fun here, but also it was very challenging because it was my first time to stay that period 4 months away from my hometown. But I really love it, and it made me grow. It made me grow both professionally and